Every year, more animals are pushed closer to extinction and some may disappear forever. In this video, we are exploring 5 of the world's most endangered species, each fighting to survive against overwhelming odds. From deep forests to tropical oceans, their stories reveal the urgent need for global conservation. The Amur Leopard, Javan Rhinoceros, mountain gorilla, Hawksbill Sea Turtle and Northern Bald Ibis are 5 of the most endangered animals on Earth. Each species lives in a different region and faces a unique challenge, but all are threatened by human activities. Their survival depends on urgent global conservation efforts. Number 1. The Amur leopard is the rarest big cat in the world, found in the temperate forest of the Russian Far East and northeastern China. Only about 100 individuals remain in the wild. These leopards are solitary hunters, known for their beautiful, thick, spotted fur. Unfortunately, a feature that has made them a target for poachers. In addition to illegal hunting, habitat destruction from deforestation and road building has fragmented their range, reducing their chance of finding mates and weakening genetic diversity. Although protected areas like the land of the Leopard National Park in Russia have helped improve numbers slightly, the Amur leopard remains critically endangered. Number 2. The Javan rhinoceros is one of the world's rarest mammals, with a population of fewer than 80 individuals living exclusively in Ujung Kulon National Park in Indonesia. Once widespread throughout Southeast Asia, the species has suffered from heavy poaching, mainly for its horn, which is falsely believed to have medicinal value. Now, the species is confined to a single location, making it extremely vulnerable to natural disasters, disease, and genetic issues. Thick jungle vegetation and limited human access make conservation efforts difficult, and little is known about their behavior. Despite full legal protection, the Javan rhino remains critically endangered and in need of continued monitoring. Number 3. The mountain gorilla, a subspecies of eastern gorilla, lives in the cloud forest of Uganda, Rwanda, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. These great apes were once feared to be on the verge of extinction, but conservation efforts including ecotourism, anti-poaching patrols, and healthcare monitoring have increased their numbers to over thousands individuals. However, they are still endangered, with threats including habitat loss, disease transmission from humans, civil unrest, and illegal hunting, because they live in a small family groups and reproduce slowly. Any loss can deeply affect the entire population. Ongoing regional cooperation is crucial to their survival. Number 4. The Hawksbill Sea Turtle is a small tropical turtle known for its striking shell pattern, often called tortoise shell. This turtle plays a vital role in maintaining healthy coral reef ecosystem by feeding on sponges that can otherwise overwhelm reef growth. Sadly, the beauty of its shell has led to massive exploitation in the illegal wildlife trade, with its parts sold for jewelry and decorative items. In addition to poaching, hawksbill turtles are threatened by population loss of nesting beaches and entanglement on fishing gear. Climate change also affects hatching survival by altering sand temperatures and coral reef health. Despite being protected under international law, it remains critically endangered. Number 5. The Northern Bald Ibis is a unique and ancient-looking bird, recognized by its bald red head and long, curved beak. Historically found across Europe, the Middle East and North Africa, the species is now restricted to a small population in Morocco and reintroduction sites in Europe. This species declined due to hunting, habitat loss, pesticide use, and disturbance during nesting. Recent efforts using captive breeding, habitat restoration, and even teaching young birds migratory routes with ultralight aircrafts have brought cautious optimism. Still, the northern bald ibis remains critically endangered and highly dependent on human-led conservation. Conclusion: these five species represent a small but urgent part of the global biodiversity crisis. Each plays a critical role on its ecosystem, and their loss would have ripple effects throughout nature. Protecting these animals means protecting forest, ocean, and wetlands for their sake and ours. Conservation is not just about saving wildlife but about preserving the delicate balance of life on earth. Thank you friends. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and support me.